Hi, welcome to Foodie. We're going to make a little salsa dip this afternoon with our corn chips. And it's not going to be your normal like tomato salsa. We're going to make it with watermelon and limes, and it sounds really good. So be anxious to try this. So let's get started. Okay, this salsa is a lot of real fresh ingredients. It ought to be like a real refreshing summer type taste. So first thing I want to do, I've got a nice sized lime. And I'm going to zest it to, I'm just going to estimate this about 1.5 teaspoons. And the thing on zesting lemons and limes, you know, the outer peel, the green part, is really not that bitter. It's the white. So when you zest them, try to just get that green and don't get too much of the white flesh in there. Oh, and it smells so good. All right, to our lime zest, we're going to add 1/4 cup of that fresh lime juice. I had some smaller limes, and it took about all 3 of my smaller limes to get 1/4 cup. I'm going to sweeten it up a little bit, get about 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, maybe 1/4 teaspoon of salt, maybe 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. We're also going to put some jalapeños in this, so we're going to spice it up a little bit. And then I've got 1 garlic clove that I've finely chopped. All right, let's just stir this up, get everything mixed pretty good. I'm going to pour the liquid here into a little bit smaller dish. Probably should have started with the smaller dish, but that's okay. So now I've got, back into my large bowl, I'm going to put 3 cups of pretty small chopped watermelon. I've got 1 cucumber that I've peeled and seeded. 1/2 cup of finely chopped red onion. I have 1 jalapeno that I've seeded and took the ribs out. If you don't want this too hot, make sure you get those ribs out, because I actually think the ribs are probably hotter than the seeds. And then I've got about 1.5 tablespoons here of fresh chopped cilantro. So let's just very gently kind of fold this and stir this, because we don't want to smash up all the watermelon. Okay, then we can pour our liquid mix back in. And again, just kind of gently stir this, fold it all over, get everything mixed really nice. Lots of good colors in here. Okay, we're just going to pour this right in to our little serving bowl. Obviously, I'm going to have way more than what's in this bowl. So. And what's nice about this is you can serve it like here, like a pico de gallo kind of style, or you can add some of this liquid in there, or even if you have some more watermelon, you can maybe smash it up a little bit to make it a little more liquidy. So you get 2 of these bowls here. Okay, we're going to put this in I'm going to put a cover on it, put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours, just to get it all nice and cold again and get these flavors to really mix in there good. And then at the final part, we'll put in a little bit of avocado on top. And the nice thing about this, you can change this up any way you want here. You can I was going to put some peaches in there, but we picked and ate all of our peaches already. I thought we had some left. Instead of cilantro, you can, I love watermelon and mint. You put a little bit of chopped fresh mint in there. Oh man, that would be good too. Actually, I have another recipe out there for watermelon mint, kind of like a smoothie. It's frozen lemonade with watermelon and mint, and it's out of this world. I'll stick the link in the description below. And I also have a really good recipe for just regular tomato salsa that it's a little long because this is the kind you put and you can it and you heat it up, and you know, you don't have to refrigerate it. You know, I'll make like 10 or 12 pints and then store it in there, and I'll have it fresh salsa for the rest of the year. We've let this chill in the refrigerator for a few hours. Now we're going to top it, like I said, with some avocado. So what I do here is just make little and then we'll do the same thing this way. Now all we do is make sure you scoop in there as far as you can to get down to that peel, and you'll get nice little cubes. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, here we have it. Let's try. Wow. Really nice. All those flavors just blend in so good. Really good. Nice thing to serve if you're having like a little party, sit down. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.